Navigating air travel can be very, very stressful. So we decided we'd like to take this episode to talk about how to navigate with a few tips and tricks. The less you leave to chance, the smoother your day's gonna go.
It's okay if you have to check in at the airport too. Don't panic.
The next strategy would be making sure to pack smart.
I would say making sure your items are TSA-friendly. That means that anything you're bringing in your carry-on needs to be 3 ounces or less if it's a liquid. If you're traveling with medications, make sure they're in their original prescription bottles.
I like to put all the things that I know that I'll have to pull out in one area, so I'm not opening every pocket. To be able to pull out my Kindle in one, my laptop in another, and my bag of liquids if they need to come out, depending on the airport.
Well, and that's another reason that TSA PreCheck is a must for me and for a lot of frequent travelers, because I don't have to take a single thing out of my bag. Global Entry is a program when you are coming back into the country. It speeds up the process of going through customs. It includes TSA PreCheck. It's part of that program. Essentially, what Touchless ID is literally what it sounds like. You just need your face. It's another line separate from the normal TSA PreCheck line. My husband has used it, and actually it helped him. The lines at the Austin airport were literally down the sidewalk, and as he inched up, he noticed the sign for the TSA PreCheck Touchless ID went right up, was through in like 5 minutes.
And the bottom line is that these programs don't really eliminate the lines completely, but they can make your airport experience so much smoother.
There's like 20,000 different lines that you could go through depending on the program that you have signed up for. Monday morning is where you have your travel warriors, so to speak, your business travelers, your people who everybody has the TSA PreCheck, everybody has touchless, and their patience is not there for people who maybe you don't fly a lot, maybe you're traveling with little kids. Their patience is gone.
I think that rule also carries over to the first day after a holiday, because most people will stay for the entire holiday and then catch the next flight the next day. The worst one, which I actually have set myself up for this time, I broke my own rule, is the first flight on Monday after Easter in Orlando.
Ooh, I cannot wait to hear about how that goes. This could be a whole other episode of Heidi's adventure at Orlando International Airport the day after Easter.